What's up, everyone? Vampcalf back again. Tonight, instead of a project, I have a little quick tutorial that I want to show you that you have been trimming your quads wrong. That is, if you've been trimming your quad at all, that it's wrong. And by trimming, I mean these main trims, the main trims, like. If you mess with these, you're essentially shifting your endpoints. So let's say I'm veering a little bit and my quad's drifting. It's drifting to the left. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to adjust this trim until it stays straight, right? No. Because now, when I want to go left, when I want to go left, my endpoint rate is going to be way higher. Or actually, I'm sorry. It was drifting this way, and I adjusted the trim so that way it ends up coming further right. So now my endpoint essentially shifted to the right. So now my endpoint all the way to the right is going to be that much less than it is, and it's actually going to be more to the left because you're essentially taking your endpoint and you're shifting it from the center to pretty much straighten, your quad. So that's not the way that we're going to want to trim it. What we're going to want to do is we're going to mess with our subtrims. So the first step you're going to do has nothing to do with the quad, has nothing to do with this tasty, delicious program. It has everything to do with your transmitter. Take your transmitter, turn her on, zero out all of your trims in case you've mess with them. Set them all to 0. Alright? Yours is probably different than mine. If you have a Tyrannus or a Spectrum or whatever else you guys are rocking, 0 out your trims. I'm going to go ahead and turn that off so it doesn't beep at us like crazy. Next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take your quad. I'm going to plug her into Betaflight. I'm going to plug it into Betaflight. I want to make sure that it's on a level surface. Alright? Level surface. Level enough. And every once in a while it just doesn't let me connect, and then I have to reconnect to the computer. Or reconnect to Betaflight. Alright, here we go. Alright. So now we're going to go ahead and make sure it's flat. Thank you. You're going to calibrate your accelerometer. Because if we start with an accelerometer that's, let's say, tilting to the right, if we start there, we're already having a drift to the right. We're screwed from the beginning. So right away, first things first, second things first, after you zero out your trims, is calibrate the accelerometer. Now, the way I set up my subtrim, and your menus are going to be a lot different. Maybe not a lot different, but anyway, so I'm going to go into my menu. I'm going to find where my subtrims are. And I have all of my channels. And I've already remapped mine, so I'm going to go ahead and zero them out. Oh. Alright. I'm going to go ahead and zero them out just so I can show you guys how to do this. Alright. Oh. Go back in. Sorry. I don't know why I'm apologizing to you. Alright. So we're going to zero those out. Alright. Now the easy way I do my subtrims is I go into the PID tuning. Okay? So once you're in PID tuning, you got your rates profile over here. So I have to plug in the quad. I'm going to pause this and I'm going to go grab a battery. Okay, now that I got a battery, I'll go ahead and fire this bad boy up. Take your props off. It's a 2-inch. Not too worried about it. Alright, so now, if you go ahead and look, go ahead and zoom in here real quick. And zoom in. As you can see, All those numbers are janked. -5, -2, 1. You see all of these. This is where our pitch, our roll, and our yaw. This is how I set my subtrim. All right. So this -6, we're gonna make all these as close to 0 as possible. All right. So let me go ahead and back this back out. Get you guys back in frame here. Okay. So to do that, channel 1 is going to be your roll. Oh, wrong way. If it's negative, you're going to go right, positive, left. So now I'm at 0. I'm going to go ahead and flick the sticks a little bit, kind of jostle them around, then recenter them a couple times. All right, so that one's good. I do believe 4 is your yaw. All right. So that's good. And then, let's see here. And then roll is 2? Yeah, 2. 0. All right, so now we're all 0, 0, 0, 0. Save it. And you're on your way to a drift-free quadcopter, my friends, or drone, or whatever the hell you want to call it. All right, we did it. You did it. So anyways, if you liked this, you liked this, or you, or this guy. I don't know about that guy. I don't know. But anyways, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I'll leave a link over here for another tutorial on calibrating, not a 4-in-1, obviously, 4-in-1 ESC, but how to calibrate your ESCs. As always, I hope you enjoyed this, as always. But for now, I'm going to go to bed, and y'all should go fly. You. Not that guy.